Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna showcase a web app called Jonas, which I built to learn German. So let's start. Let me log in first. Gonna use my friend's Gmail account because I have used mine already here. So yeah, gonna log in. And it's gonna create a daily situation to Jonas learn German. So I don't know what this is because I don't know German. Let me translate. Okay. There's a business meeting with local partner. That is the daily situation today. So let's move to the first one. This one is like a chatbot, this German teacher thing. And you can ask questions like, how do I create someone? So yeah, the teacher is gonna give us information on how we do that. And yeah, now we go to the main part, which is the read lesson. You can skip some seconds over here because it's gonna take some time to load. So what it's doing is it's creating a lesson from our daily situation, and it's gonna vary uh, between models, because if you have a very good model, it's gonna give us a very good kind of lesson. Now we are on a free tier, so we don't expect that much of a quality, but yeah, it's decent with the free models. So yeah, we have some words over here, and we are gonna learn this before we read the lesson. So yeah, there is this word, partnership, product, and if you want to know how to pronounce this word, you can click over here.
Produkte,
And this is a difficult word.
Dienstleistungen,
Okay, and yeah, we go through this and we're going to start reading. And over here we have the lesson over here, and we're gonna read this. And if you don't know some words, you can highlight like this, and you can know the pronunciation and the meaning of the word. And if you wanna read aloud the whole paragraph, you can click over here.
Hallo, wie geht es dir heute? Es freut mich.
We're gonna stop this, and yeah, we're gonna skip this part, and we're gonna go to the grammar section. So yeah, over here there is some grammar lessons from the previous paragraph. No, the paragraph, the previous lesson. And yeah, I'm gonna skip this one. And now we have some questions from the lesson. This one I haven't read the whole lesson because we don't have time for that. So we're gonna select some random answers over here. Gonna select the random answers over here. And we're gonna submit this, and it's gonna evaluate and give us a score on how well we did. I'm not expecting a high score because I just selected random things and wrote ich habe keine Ahnung in every answer. Yeah, there we can see. And over here, it's gonna give us a good score if we write something close to this one. Over here too. Okay, now let's go back. And there is the role play session over here. So we're gonna start this. So it's gonna create a plot, and yeah. Okay, we have this. So my role is suspect representative of a German company, and the AI's role is local business partner. So we're gonna start chatting like, hello, guten Tag. I'm gonna deliberately make a mistake over here. Let's see if the AI is gonna detect that. Okay, now you can go back and forth and chat with this AI, but I'm gonna finish it over here because we have time constraints. So finish the session. Okay, yeah, as you can see, there is made made us some suggestions over here. And this score, we can't really take this score seriously because we only did one back and forth conversation. And you can see the mistakes over here and how we can improve this and the vocabularies over here. And you can practice next scenario or we can practice this again. But since we have time constraints, I'm gonna go back again. And there is this one right in German. So we're gonna start this. Again, yeah. Now the AI has told us to write an email to summarize key discussion points and confirming next steps. So yeah, you can write an email over here, but again, I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, and hello, my name is Lucy. And yeah, let's submit this and let's see what the AI tells us. Yeah, it's a fairly low score because we don't know why. We know why it's like that because I just wrote some random words over there. But if you write a good email, you can expect a score between 70 and 100. Again, we're gonna go back. And the final thing is we have a notes section over here that you can take notes and you can take the notes from yesterday. And yeah, it will be here all the time. So what I recommend you do is you find some common words and write that over here so you can use that later. And yep, that's it. That's the whole web app. And yeah, there is a leaderboard and the daily streak. So that's it. Thank you for listening to me. Have a nice day.